Hi there friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn on remove photosensitive videos on TikTok. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started guys. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now, click on your profile icon on the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Next, click on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and click on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down the menu, find the Accessibility option and click on it. Step 6. Now find the Remove Photosensitive Videos option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Final step. For the last and most important step, tap on the Remove Photosensitive Videos option to turn it on instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.